What's up, guys? So the S2K giveaway, we finally got TNs in stock. So we're gonna get these installed and get this car as low as she can go. Wheels should be here by Friday, so we're gonna get these on, get the wheels installed. And we took some measurements before. We're gonna do some measurements after. I'm not gonna tell you the number until we're done, but we're gonna get this thing so we don't have this big old wheel gap on it anymore. We wanna get rid of that right there. So keep tuned, keep watching. We're gonna make this baby as low as she can go. Okay guys, so we're flying through it fast. We got these rear ones installed. I think we're gonna end up about 4 inches dropped on this thing. So we got the rear ones in. I did a little of adjustments on it. We're not gonna do a final adjustment until we actually get the wheels, which we did a 18 by 9.5 with a +10 offset. Do the top for me, So we got these in. We got some adjustments, we got some numbers, but we're not gonna tell you until she sits on the ground where we were and where we are. All right, so we got springs on. We've adjusted them twice. We're gonna drop it on the ground and see what our final number is for today until we actually get the wheels on and do a final number. So Mijo, let her down to the ground. Then we'll take a measurement. I know we can go lower, but for today, until we get these 18s on there, I really just want to see where it's gonna sit. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's low. She's low. Oh yeah, she's low. That gap looks much better. I think with those 18s on there, this thing's gonna look rad as can be. So we are looking good. We're gonna guess that number. Where are we at? $24.5, so 2 inches. Went 2 inches exactly. We might even be able to get a little bit more out of it. What are we, 23 exactly? 24.25. So we went 2 all the way around.
That's great.
Looks good. I mean, I'm pretty sure we can go a little bit lower with the 18s on there, but until we have them on, which should be about 2 days, it is minty. Much better wheel gap. Much better wheel gap. Oh yeah. Yep, I think we can go a little bit lower, but for today, that's where we're at, 2 inches exactly. So whoever guessed exactly where we're at, we got a free hack coming to them. So make sure you're entered to win today. Click the link on our page at HTS Motorsports or go to our Facebook. Click the shop now button, get entered to win. We got 5 times entries, so make sure you're entered to win for the S2K giveaway.